Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to blur a face on the CapCut PC or MacBook. This tutorial will be very quick and simple. Just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. So now I'm going to show you a few ways. One way is for a steady object, so a steady human face, for example, and another one is with moving objects. So you want to go ahead and drag your video to the timeline. And then you want to go ahead and select your video, click Command C or Control C, and then basically paste it on top of it, just like so. Once the duplicate is on top of the video, you want to go to Effects and search for a blurring effect. You want to go ahead and choose the one which fits you the best. For example, I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and drag it on top of that overlay, just like so. And what you will need to do now is go ahead to the right side, select the overlay video, then on video basic you will see mask, and you want to choose, for example, circle. Here you now have your blurring effect. You want to put it on the face. Now, as you can see, it works quite good, but the face is still moving. So you would need to maybe put it somewhere here or make this blurring bigger if your object is moving. So first you want to put it on the first step right there, for example. Let's make it a little bit softer, just like so. Now when the and you want to go ahead and add a keyframe, which is right there. Add a keyframe, then you're gonna go ahead there and add it again here. The keyframe added itself. And now when the face will move more, again, you can move it just like so. And now your keyframe, your blurring effect will move with a face. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.